Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app uses push notifications to keep you informed about important updates during your visits, including lightning lane reminders, visual or virtual queue updates, mobile order notifications, dining alerts, hotel room readiness, and other park information. Enabling notifications helps you avoid missing time sensitive updates. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to turn on notifications in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for staying informed throughout your Disneyland adventure. So first thing, open your device settings, like begin on your smartphone. Open your phone settings app, tap notification. You are ready to manage app notifications. Find Disneyland app inside notifications, scroll through your installed app and tap Disneyland, so you will see the notification settings for the app. Turn on notifications and next turn on allow notifications and enable banners, sounds and lock screen notifications if desired. Okay, so as you can see here, we have these options in our settings. Okay, so you have to find notifications here, look for Disneyland, okay, like this, and turn on everything here. Okay, so the Disneyland app now can send you important alerts while you are visiting the parks. Okay, so open the Disneyland mobile app to return to the app itself and sign into your Disney account if needed, and the app may request permission to send notifications if you haven't already granted it. Okay, allow app notifications if prompted, or tap allow when asked to enable notifications, and review any available notification preferences inside the app. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.